Today we will work with another medical device. It's an EVZ machine. They use it in an NICU, and this is the printer of that machine, and the battery pack of this printer is dead, so we need a new battery pack, but unfortunately the battery pack is expensive, so we will make a battery pack more powerful than original one. Let's stay with us till the end of this video. So here is the battery pack. They cut it and thought they can make one, and finally they understand that they need me. So what you can see is a nickel metal hydride rechargeable battery, and it's AA 4 cell, total 4.8 volt. Each cell is 1.2 volt, and this pack is 1600 milliamp hour. But for make a new battery pack, we bought this cell. They are 2300 milliamp hour, more powerful than original one. Let's see what we can do. Let's open the cell, and looks like they are bigger than original battery, and it's not good because the machine doesn't have extra space, but we have nothing to do except work with this cell. Let's do something. Here is the original battery structure. Let's check it with our multimeter. 1.2 volt, and they shows ohms because they have 0 volt. So what we can do, let's remove this strip from the battery. We need this strip too. We will use it for connect our batteries. Let's see how they connect these cells with each other. They use some strip in here too, but because we don't have enough space, so we will use some wire in here and here in this gap. At first we will connect these two batteries, then we will think about the strip and the connector. Okay, we connect this two cell with this wire and these two with another wire. Now we will attach them like this. This end will connect them with this strip. Now the cells are connected to each other. See, they're connected, and this is the time to connect our connector, and we don't need strip for this positive side. Now need something connect the positive side, then negative side, like this. Now everything is connected like new, only the size is bigger, little bit bigger. Now let's measure the total voltage. 5.17. We need 4.8. Our cells are fully charged, so it shows some extra. Let's see, can we fix it somehow in its original casing? Somehow in its previous sleeve, it will not fit in its previous sleeve. What we can do, we'll use some masking tape both in to protect the connections, and use little bit between these two to protect them from any kind of short circuit. Let's try again. Now I will apply some hot glue in this gap so it will be secure. Our hot glue gun is ready. Apply some hot glue. So our battery pack is almost ready. Now I am trying to put this sleeve or fit this thing. I cut some on side, then we will tape it like this. And now I will use this tape because this sleeve is only for decoration, not for serious thing. And our battery pack is ready. What do you say? You can say our new battery pack is bigger than original one. This should be a problem. Let's see is it fit or not. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share my video and subscribe my channel.